Here's a closer look at the 5 top-rated flat-screen television sets. On the 5th spot of our list is the Hisense 75H8G Quantum Series. Hisense is a better, smart TV which brings an enhanced quantum dot technology to its most popular ULED model. This raises the bar for a best entertainment experience with its better brightness, richer colors, and more detail and smoother motion screen. With the fusion of its Dolby Vision HDR which provides more local dimming zones and creates astonishing images with enhanced color, and Dolby Atmos audio provides an incredibly immersive home theater experience. Hisense's ULED technology and Hi-View chipset work automatically to boost picture quality and performance, with its automated scene recognition that adjusts the picture and sound based on the genre of the content you are watching. With a significant improvement of the input lag in game mode, this TV provides a more enjoyable and better gaming experience. It is fully loaded with a wide variety of apps like Netflix, YouTube, Hulu and many more apps you can find being an Android TV. You can stream thousands of your favorite movies and videos, all in the comfort of your home. With its built-in Google Assistant, and simply with the power of your voice, you can quickly get access to your movies, get answers and control your devices around your home. This voice control feature makes interacting with your smart TV easier and more intuitive. This TV weighs at 64.8 pounds with stand. It is a flat-screen 75-inch class Android TV that works with Alexa and plenty of built-in apps and thousands of streaming channels. When it comes to connectivity, this TV has a built-in wireless, is Bluetooth ready, has 4 HDMI ports, 4 Ethernet, 2 USB ports, RF antenna, RCA composite video input, audio input for composite, optical digital audio output, and earphone audio output. Its other features include noise reduction, parental control, closed caption, sleep timer, on-screen display, and game mode. It is wall-mountable and has high dynamic range processing and a 1-year warranty. With an average star rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars, this unit sells at around $1,500. And on the number 4 spot of our list is the Samsung QN82 series. This is the 2018 model of the Samsung 82-inch TV. This QLED or Quantum Dot LED TV has a cutting-edge design with a full array of performance. It offers an unparalleled visual and auditory experience from the comfort of your home and is available with 4K or 8K and with options to fit any budget and space. This particular model features a 4K QLED display with 8 million pixels, that is 4 times the pixels of a full HD TV. In order to enjoy a more realistic sound experience, this TV is equipped with the Object Tracking Sound Plus, a dynamic sound which tracks the motion and follows an object's movement in every scene for a pinpoint, lifelike, 3-dimensional sound experience. With its active voice amplifier, the distracting noises around you are analyzed and this TV automatically boosts the volume and adds clarity to the dialogue, so you never miss a word. This adaptive sound technology optimizes sound settings for speech, music and ambient sound in real time, to best suit what you are watching. With its revolutionary Q Symphony technology, when QLED TVs and Q-Series sound bars are synchronized, they work together in perfect harmony to create a breathtaking home theater experience. This TV features an ultra-slim frame with a nearly invisible bezel infinity screen design that removes any distractions, for a more immersive viewing experience. This is a smart TV powered by Tizen, so you'll have more ways to enjoy your TV, more ways to use, discover, and connect with personalized recommendations. Its multi-view feature makes you watch TV and smartphone at the same time, all in one screen. It also has multiple built-in assistants like Bixby, Alexa and Google Assistant that lets you control your TV, hands-free. With its ambient mode feature, this TV harmonizes with your interior by mimicking the wall behind it, thereby seemingly disappearing into the wall. It also features a single, all-in-one cable to keep your wires neatly organized, and is very easy to install with its no-gap wall mount that helps your TV lay flush against any wall. This QLED TV has an elegant style, slick design that is paired with smart functions to give you a fully immersive and realistic, no distraction, home theater viewing experience. With an average star rating of 4.1 out of 5 stars, this unit sells at around $3,000. And on the third spot of our list is the LG OLED C9P UB77. This is a 77-inch ultra-large OLED 4K TV screen which has 8.3 million pixels that makes it a perfect match for a higher-level view on this large screen, even up close. These pixels are individually lit to deliver a perfect, superior picture quality. It's equipped with the LG ThinQ Eye, an intelligent TV that thinks, listens and answers for a superior TV entertainment experience that you can control. Powered by the LG A9 Generation 2 intelligent processor, the best LG processor with a 4-step noise reduction and instantly enhances image color and quality. It's also loaded with the Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos stereo, an advanced image and sound technology that optimizes picture and sound quality for a more spectacular lifelike entertainment experience. It is Bluetooth surround ready, so you can connect up to 2 Bluetooth speakers for instant wireless surround sound. It has a gallery wallpaper design with a flush mount that blends into your walls. This TV also ensures the best high dynamic range gaming experience and has a fast 1 millisecond response time and very low input lag, which brings players into a whole new level of immersive gaming. It delivers a complete sports experience with its Sports Alert feature to keep sports fans up to date. It offers unlimited entertainment experience. Stream your favorite movies or TV shows from its wide variety of installed contents to choose from. This TV weighs at 74.5 pounds with stand and is equipped with 4 HDMI ports, 3 USB ports, a V input, Ethernet, RF antenna, digital optical audio output, Bluetooth 5.0 support, and has smartphone connectivity. There's always something for everyone. The LG OLED 77-inch is a smart TV that has an intelligent processor, features the best picture quality, and a faster connection. This TV provides a true cinema experience in the comfort of your home. With an average star rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars, this unit sells at around $4,500. On the second spot of our list is the Sunbright Signature 2 Series outdoor television. This particular model is for a weatherproof 65-inch Signature 2 Series outdoor TV for partial sun and high ambient light in your patio, deck or yard. It features the TrueVision anti-glare technology that delivers an ultra-bright 700-nit picture with 4K HDR resolution support for an amazing contrast and vibrant colors. The Sunbright TV offers 50% reduced glare, sharper picture and 3 times higher brightness than any other typical indoor TVs. It is specifically designed to handle rain, dust, snow, insects, humidity and extreme temperatures, unlike indoor TVs that are made for climate-controlled interiors. This feature provides an ideal viewing experience in brighter outdoor environments. It is also engineered for a permanent outdoor installation and a safe and superior performance from winter to summer. For optimal viewing any time of day, the Sunbright TV's OptiView provides pre-configured daytime-nighttime settings. It includes a weatherproof remote control with remote control lockout feature to prevent unauthorized users from changing the programming. It also has a built-in integrated HD-based T receiver, a standard equipment to allow transmission of ultra-high-definition video, audio and control over a single, long-distance category cable. This TV weighs 66 pounds, and its input connectors include 2 HDMI ports, RF antenna, digital optical audio output, and RGB input. The soundbar is not included in Signature 2 series and does not include built-in speakers. The 20-watt all-weather soundbar is an optional accessory, or you can pair this TV with your own home audio system. With an average star rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars, this unit sells at around $8,000. And landing on the top, the number 1 TV on our list is the Sony X950H. The X950H is the best 4K LCD Sony has to offer. It has a slim bezel design with more realistic contrast enhanced by Extended Dynamic Range Pro 5. Because of its X wide-angle panel, this TV ensures colors stay true from whatever angle you are watching. This feature provides a more immersive viewing experience from any angles. The fully array LED is lit independently, which makes dark areas darker and light areas lighter. With its remastered object-based HDR, the color in individual objects on the screen is analyzed and the contrast is automatically adjusted, producing more realistic pictures. Sony's unique picture processor X1 Ultimate feature is twice as fast as the X1 Extreme. And the Triluminos feature precisely analyzes and processes data to enrich 4K pictures with real-world detail and texture. This TV comes equipped with the acoustic multi-audio feature that includes 2 sound positioning tweeters at the back of the TV and Dolby Atmos that enables sound to follow the action. Also with its S-Force front surround sound speaker system that virtually reproduces multi-surround sound for more thrills and immersive sound experience. The sound and pictures are precisely aligned, so you can hear action from exactly the right place on the screen. With its voice zoom feature, you can hear human speech clearly without having to turn the volume up. This TV has a slim and flush design with a dual-position discrete stand which you can use on wide and narrow space. It also has a cable holder to keep your wires neatly hidden at the back of your TV. This TV weighs at 108 pounds with stand. It has Bluetooth 4.2 support, Ethernet input, built-in Chromecast, Apple AirPlay, Apple HomeKit, RF inputs, composite video input, RS input, 4 HDMI ports, digital audio outputs, headphone output, 2 USB ports and USB playback codecs. It has an Android operating system with a 16GB onboard storage space and a built-in voice search. With this TV, you can just sit back and enjoy the best possible home theater viewing experience. With an average star rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars, this unit sells at around $3,800. To learn more about the products listed on this video, please click on the link in the description box below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out my other videos.